Everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy 3 double crochet shell sweater top for the summer, and it's very easy to make. You're going to start out with a foundation chain that's 1/2 the width of your body, and you're going to work a rectangle as long as you would like it to be. You're going to make 2, and then you're going to sew them at the shoulders and the side seams. And that's how easy it's going to be to make this, so let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the 3 double crochet closed shell stitch and how to make a very easy shell top for summer. And today I'm going to use Mainstay's yarn, and I bought this at Walmart. Whenever I go into a store, if they sell yarn, I always migrate down to the yarn section. And this yarn is really rather nice. It has a cotton feel, and they have lovely colors. So I bought several different colors of this yarn. It has 285 yards. It's a worsted weight. It was $3.99 for 1 skein. I bought 2. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Work a foundation row in multiples of 4 and work the foundation chain loosely. To make a chain, you simply pick up the yarn and pull it through the stitch on the hook. So work your foundation chain to 1/2 of your body measurement at the largest part in multiples of 4. And when you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through the remaining 2. And then you're going to skip the next stitch, and you're going to single crochet in the next. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops on the hook. Skip the next stitch, work 3 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. Like that, and you're going to repeat that across the row. So skip the next stitch, 3 double crochet in the next. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. Skip, 3 double. Skip the next, single crochet. Skip the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the last stitch of the row. Like that. Now you're going to chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in that very first stitch. Now you're going to skip the next stitch, and the next stitch is the single crochet of the previous row. You're going to make 3 double crochet in that stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and that is the center stitch of that 3 double crochet of the previous row. You're going to continue across the row. So I need 3 double crochet here. 1, 2, and 3. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the center of those 3 double crochet cluster. And you're going to repeat across the row. Three double crochet, and at the end of the row you have your turning chain and your double crochet. You're going to skip the double crochet and make a single crochet in the top of the turning chain, and that's going to give you nice straight edges. So you're going to continue those 2 rows. You ended with a single crochet. That means you chain 2 and turn, and you work 1 more double crochet in that first stitch, and there's the 3 double crochet from the previous row. You're going to skip that stitch. You're going to single crochet in the center of those 3 double crochet, and then you have a single crochet, so you're going to make 3 double crochet. And a single. And that's how that will look. So you're just going to continue to repeat those 2 rows until you have worked a rectangle that will reach from wherever you want the bottom hem, from a cropped look to a waist length, or you could even do a tunic length. And you're going to make 2 rectangles like this. And when you've finished, you're going to fasten off, and you're going to connect at the shoulders, making sure that you leave enough of an opening here in the center to be able to pass it on over the head. And then you're going to leave enough room here for the armholes, and you're going to sew down the 2 sides. And if you like, you could stop here and leave slits along the bottom. And that's how easy it is to make this Mainstay summer shell. And it's a very soft yarn. It really does feel like cotton. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.